Assalamu alaikum dear friends. Today I am going to tell you about 5 things that affect your sleep. If you are new on this YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe our channel Knowledge Prism. Do you struggle falling asleep at night? Even when you get 7 to 8 hours of sleep, do you wake up the next morning feeling exhausted? If you stay in bed tossing and turning around every night, you are not alone. In the USA alone, over 50 million people suffer from chronic sleep problems. Here are the top 5 reasons for sleep-related problems. Number 1. Coffee. If you drink coffee or energy drink later in the day, you will probably just toss and turn in your bed, which is time to sleep. Because caffeine acts as a stimulant, which can give you a brief energy boost but in turn affects your sleep quality. Caffeine enters your bloodstream within 10 minutes after consuming an energy drink. In the following 15 to 45 minutes, most of the caffeine is absorbed and your blood contains peak amount of caffeine levels. As a result, you feel more alert and experience enhanced concentrations. But once the energy levels drop, it can leave your feelings even more tired the next day. Number 2. Using electronic devices. If you are used to scrolling down your Facebook or Instagram in bed before you sleep, you might want to reconsider doing that tonight. Using electronic devices before bedtime reduces your sleep quality. Melatonin is a hormone that is controlled by light exposure. This hormone regulates your sleep-to-wake cycle. When it is dark, your brain secretes more melatonin, making you sleepy. When it's light, melatonin production reduces, making you more alert. Using electronic devices can alter your body's production of melatonin and affects your sleep cycle. Studies say that 95% of the people use some kind of electronic devices before bedtime. Number 3. Heavy dinner. If you eat a heavy dinner just before going to bed, you may find it interfering with your sleep pattern. You should give 2 to 3 hours between your last meal and bedtime. This allows digestion to occur and the contents of your stomach to move into your small intestine. This may promote problems like heartburn at night and even insomnia. Number 4. Sleep cycle. If you have trouble getting a good sleep at night, it might be because your body's natural sleep cycle is out of rhythm. This happens when you do not maintain a routine of going to bed same time every night. Number 5. Alcohol. Alcohol can help you fall asleep faster, so it can mislead you into believing that it is helping you sleep. Unfortunately, it also reduces the quality of your sleep. Getting a healthy amount of sleep is necessary to have a healthy body. Observe your habits and routines and make the changes that need to be made, in order to allow your body the time it needs to rest, and make sure it is getting that rest at similar times every day. The habits may be difficult to break, but you will definitely notice the difference and you will be glad you did. It is said that early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to share it with your friends. Allah Hafiz.